ready to fortify your MERN Stack app with rock-solid SMS verification. Let's jump straight into securing user signups using Twilio. First, let's set up our backend. Install the Twilio Nodage library via npm or yarn. This is our bridge to Twilio's powerful SMS API next. Obtain your account SID and auth token from your Twilio dashboard. These are your keys to the kingdom. Now, create a function that uses your Twilio credentials to send SMS messages. You'll need to pass in the recipient's phone number, and the verification code will generate shortly. Make sure you're using your Twilio phone number as the sender. Generate a random verification code. This can be a simple numeric code. Let's say 6 digits long. Store this code temporarily in your database alongside the user's information, marked as unverified. On the front end, create a form where users enter their phone number and the received verification code. Use input masking and validation to ensure the phone number format is correct, enhancing user experience. When the user submits the form, send both the phone number and the verification code to your backend. Compare the received code with the one stored in your database if they match. Mark the user's account as verified. Implement robust error handling. What happens if the code is incorrect or expires? Always sanitize user inputs to prevent any injection attacks. For added security, consider implementing rate limiting to prevent SMS bombing. Finally, upon successful verification, redirect the user to their dashboard or a welcome page. Boom! Your MERN Stack application now boasts a secure and reliable SMS verification system, enhancing user trust and account protection.